Cash is something that standards you. Each individual in this world strives to win cash. You wake up and start your errands and obligations to gain cash for your living. In any case, how might you feel in the event that you can procure while you rest? Is it accurate to say that it isn't incredible? Also, on the off chance that you are searching for such approaches to profit with an extremely less exertion, you are at the opportune spot. Individuals give a shot nearly all that they can to acquire fast cash, and the greater part of them end up in prison for managing out of line implies, yet here you will get the manual for gain cash speedy complying with law. Easy revenue is what you're searching for. Absent a lot of endeavors, you can procure attractive sum quick. It can give you additional salary over the long haul. Automated revenue will fill in as pocket cash for your normal tasks. Be that as it may, it has certain guidelines, and the most significant of all is, more is the time you devote, the better you will be paid. It is only a simple method to acquire cash without losing anything, and in addition, there is no after some time required. We should discuss the approaches to win. There are 5 simple ways that we will concentrate today. 1. Sell stock photos, content. On the off chance that you got an ability, you are unquestionably going to get paid. Web is a tremendous world and everyone is paying special mind to something new. Why not remove the advantage from this human instinct? On the off chance that you got some time and you have an ability, let the world see. Set an excursion and start clicking pictures, or remain at home and make some neighborly recordings or music. Let the world ability gifted you are, and there are piles of individuals who are prepared to pay cash for such substance. Sell your photographs, music or your recordings and win cash medium term. How it works: choose the online libraries that acknowledge work of your sort and transfer your photographs or recordings or even your music to them, and let the programs snap and pay for your substance. It will be significantly progressively useful in the event that you remain refreshed to the inclining list and set up your substance likewise. For your photographs, there are different sites that can enable you to make extraordinary pictures with the size and illustrations you need them to be. Shutterstock, photographs, video, outlines, music. iStock, photographs, video, outlines, sound. Dreamstime, Photolia, Picfair, photographs. Pattern Bank, texture plans. Line, emoticon, stickers. Dafont, my fonts, typography. Envato, everything from illustrations to web subjects and music. 2. Compose a digital book. Composing is without a doubt a generally excellent propensity. It can get you cash as well as popularity too. Furthermore, to get your work distributed, digital book is the best source. It is accepted that digital books will assume control over the printed books by 2018. You can begin composing with any point. However, on the off chance that you need cash truly, look for the slanting subject and start composing. You don't need to contribute a solitary penny to get your work distributed. Switch over to Amazon.com and your digital books will get adequate introduction. In the computerized organization, your spread talks a great deal for the purchasers. Along these lines, invest as a lot of energy you can and get your spread page planned alluringly. Be that as it may, ensure the substance is additionally very important, as your book may get veritable audits, and these surveys matter a great deal. When you get great surveys, your digital book is unquestionably going to get a lift, and these audits can likewise enable you to get gigantic acclaim, urging you to think of in a steady progression and inevitably furnish you with an enormous stage. You can likewise share the connection for your book over internet-based life and let your companions think about your distribution. Quest for bunches like your specialty and post your Amazon Connect to get most extreme individuals educated about the new discharge. This can enable you to get extreme introduction and can enable you to sell your digital books unmistakably more effectively. 3. Print on request items. In the event that you are an innovative individual, there is continually something for your imagination. Make something extremely decent and get them printed, and you are the king of the market. From shirts to infant pinafores, you can give your innovativeness a full score. Give your items a chance to hit the market and you're on for an incredible client base. It won't just lift your requirement for dire cash, yet you can ensure that you will never come up short on cash regardless. There are different stores selling altered shirts, child covers, devices and different riggings and rouse the clients. Perhaps the best site to sell your product is Cafe Press, selling nearly everything with a clear surface. You simply need to pursue a merchant's or a shop record and you are a great idea to go. In the wake of making the record, you simply need to transfer your work and pick the items you need the individuals to tweak with your designs, jokes, photographs or your best outlines. Individuals purchasing items inside your range, you are qualified for a rate, without assembling any item, neither transportation nor stocking anything. In addition, in the event that you have any companion who is an ace with his innovativeness, acquaint him with the site and get a referral charge. Is it safe to say that it isn't an incredible method to acquire cash when you are dozing? On the off chance that you need most extreme client base, go for charming or entertaining pictures or statements to jump on spotlight. 4. YouTube. Acquiring cash through YouTube is genuine simple, and the absolute first thing you have to do is start. Make a Google account and transfer your recordings. Ensure your recordings are very fascinating and transfer as oftentimes as would be prudent. Adapt your YouTube channel and let the individuals watch the advertisements. Adapting is simple with Google AdSense, simply need to make a record and you are good to go for gathering cash. After you transfer, picking up group of spectators is the most basic errand, and for that you simply need to share your recordings and channel on informal community. You can likewise check analytics and become acquainted with progressively about your guests and all other data. In addition, you can likewise take a stab at advertising your recordings somewhere else. You can make a blog and demonstrate your recordings there with the goal that your recordings get a decent introduction. When you get extraordinary perspectives on your recordings, YouTube offers you a chance to be a YouTube accomplice, and you are qualified for increasingly content creation instruments and can win different prizes with the expansion of watchers. Winning cash through YouTube is genuine simple. You simply need to transfer your recordings and you can make it big. However, the most significant thing you have to remember is your substance. The video ought to be a decent one and, if conceivable, best in its class to get greatest perspectives. More the perspectives, more is the money in your pocket. Individuals will simply need to see your recordings to make you rich. Isn't that very fascinating? 5. Space name flipping. Space name flipping is one of the most effortless and the most ideal approach to gain moment money. In any case, in this alternative to gain cash, you first need to spend a little money. You have to purchase a space. Ensure the area you're purchasing is a specialty, and it is surprisingly better if your area has one of the most elevated look-through watchwords or expression. You can purchase the space you need from GoDaddy.com and pick a facilitating plan from them. Host your site and you are a great idea to go. You can straightforwardly set the area to sell, or you can make a site and include Google AdSense and start with approaches to get traffic to your site. Attempt to get the greatest number of traffic you can, and once your site starts gathering cash, set it out up for sale. You will get generally excellent offering for your area. Presently, you pick the most elevated bidder and give him the control of your site. You can procure great cash through this procedure, and that too effectively. So why not move to space name flipping and acquire cash when you rest? Be that as it may, getting the right space name is the key. You have to do a smidgen of research on what could be an area to contribute on. Automated revenue with the above notice strategies can give you enough money to handle your very late needs. There is no one in this world who will deny cash coming towards him. Winning cash is certifiably not an overwhelming errand, except if it is done the right way. You can procure cash effectively and get yourself some additional bucks. On the off chance that you have some ability, is honored with humor, have some adorable or entertaining pictures or a video, you are particularly invited to acquire cash effectively and quick. There are different individuals over the world who are profoundly skilled yet don't get the necessary presentation to procure cash, so for them here is the thing that we give in each perspective in subtleties. Expectation. This encourages you. Click the link in the description for more information.